Hey, what's up everyone? We are still going strong at FortLAN VIII and wanted to show off the 3 Nails Project charity raffle PC that JJ Sky 5000 built with the following parts donated. We have a Radeon Nitro R7 370 donated by Sapphire, an AMD FX 6300 CPU donated by Kelly Tech, an Asus M5897 motherboard donated by Nocturne Kitty, a Master Case 5 case donated by Cooler Master, and JJ Sky provided the rest. Thanks guys for checking this out. There's still time to donate items and food to the 3 Nails Project charity raffle to win this PC.